What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a hair color video for you guys today, so I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to see how I achieved this very pretty warm copper color, then definitely keep watching. So here is her hair before. She did have grown out highlights. Her goal was to be a warm copper color, and so we talked about options. She wanted to do a partial, but with partials you can always do a little bit more, a little bit less. On her, we did all of her hairline and the mohawk section, so that's just going to help whenever she puts her hair up. It's going to show lightness underneath, and then of course she's gonna have the front of her face, all of her hairline around her face also with lightness, and then the mohawk section, which is going to show on top of all of her hair. So that's kind of a good option for somebody that wants the color to be completely around but maybe doesn't want to sit in the chair as long, doesn't want to pay as much, whatever the case may be. This is perfect for somebody that wants a full color but without the price, without the time, without the product, all that good stuff. So I pretty much start the bottom of her hair. I weave a section out, and then I do 2 diagonals on each side, and I just weave those. Depending on what you're wanting to, you can tease them a little bit, but we are just doing highlights. That way she has the lightness starting at her root. I believe I did 3 of these sections in the bottom of her hair, and you guys can see I already have her sectioned the way that I'm going to do her hair. So the mohawk section is sectioned out, the front 2 sides are sectioned, which on the front 2 pieces I'm only going to be doing the hairline, and then the back of course is sectioned off, and I'm doing that first. But then after this I went and I did the front of her hairline, and then I went and did the mohawk section at the end. So you guys can see here I have finished all of the back, I have finished the hairline in the front. So I pretty much did the hairline in the back, then the hairline in the front, and then now the mohawk section. We do have a steamer that I put her under in order to help her process, which is also why I did the mohawk section at the end, because the mohawk section, since it's on the top, the steam gets right on there and it helps that process faster. For bleach, I'm using my Redken Flash Lift. I believe I started with 20, no, I take that back. I started with 15 volume and then I went up to 20 volume. So here I'm doing 20 volume in the back, and the front of her hairline was 15 volume. And so you guys can see I'm just kind of taking about 1/2 inch to 1 inch subsections, taking a slice out, weaving that, and then just highlighting that. I make sure to always saturate super good, that way no spots are getting not bleached. You know, you want to make sure you always coat everything, especially with thick hair. Her hair is thick, but she does want to be a copper warm brown color, so I'm not getting as small of sections as if she would have wanted to go blonde. And you guys can see I am weaving out some of those lighter pieces that she already has. I don't want to over process them, which I don't think they would over process, but I just don't need any level 9, level 10 pieces. I'm good if it's a level 7, level 8 because of the color that she's wanting. So because of that, I'm making sure I weave out those pieces that are already light, because the color that they are now is fine. Okay, so after I finished the mohawk section, I put her in the steamer, let her process. I believe, I don't remember exactly how long, but just watch it. Sometimes 15 minutes, sometimes longer, sometimes less. But then I took her back to the shampoo bowl. We shampooed her, toned her, and used conditioner. And then I brought her back. We started blow drying. I always use my Kenra blow dry spray before I start blow drying. And then for my curling, I'm using my Babyliss. I believe it's a 1 1/4 barrel size. And I always use my heat protectant as well whenever I am curling or straightening somebody's hair. For when I curl the hair, I usually will curl away from the face. I just feel like that's kind of my preference. I curl everything away from the face, and then I'll add a Tease hairspray from Redken, and I also add texture spray from Kenra. and I comb that through. Usually the texture spray, I'll focus it on the roots because that's kind of where you want more texture, but you can put that all throughout, and then the hairspray, I kind of just spray the curls. So not so much the root, but more of the ends. After I use those, then I will comb out the hair. I usually use a wide tooth comb. That usually will work best for me. It just makes the curls all blend very pretty, very nice together. And here you guys see the final result. This is outside lighting. Such a pretty color. I love how it turned out. Her hair looks so full, so pretty, so healthy, so shiny. Just freshened up her color. She's never been this color, but she's been blonde, she's been brunette. She just wanted to try something a little bit different. Here's inside lighting, super pretty as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you did, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.